Started early morning around 5:30 to escape the chaotic traffic of Bangalore. We totally rode 850 kilometers through the entire trip, where 99% of the roads were excellent tarmac open highway. We took a quick pit stop after an hour of ride to hydrate for 15 minutes. We reached Chitradurga by 9 am, where we had a healthy and safe breakfast on any road trip. After the healthy breakfast, we headed to fort just to have a glimpse and head towards Hampi. But once we reached the entrance, we couldn't resist the curiosity of what lies behind the giant tall walls and ended up spending 3 hours with a guide exploring history of Chitradurga fort. We were totally mesmerized by the stories guide told us about the history and engineering of the fort. We kept wondering how it was even possible to build such an amazing architecture with so little tools hundreds of years back. Even after 3 hours of history lessons, we were still hungry and craving for more. Therefore, we headed to Chandravalli caves, which is just 2.5 kilometers away from the fort. After exploring the caves, we jumped back on the saddle. It was excellent weather with cool breeze, blue sky, and open road. We rode for a couple of hours and reached Hampi. It was almost 5 p.m. Have been to Hampi at least 4 times before, but never knew about a hidden island called as Hippie Island. You can't find this on Google Map. Only very few know about this place. This place is filled with tourists from Western countries, mostly Europeans. They stay for months exploring Hampi, learn Indian music, and of course, party like there is no tomorrow. Day 2. We woke up early and trekked our way top of a mountain to watch the beautiful sunrise. We had a quick breakfast and headed to explore what Hampi had to offer. Gedje Mantapa was used for religious functions and festivals during the days of Vijayanagar Empire. Lotus Mahal was a palace for royal ladies of Vijayanagar Empire to stay and enjoy recreational activities. We ended our exploration with an amazing sunset at Matanga Hill, which is an unforgettable experience, and headed back to our stay. We were just left with one more place to explore before we call it a wrap. Anjaneya Hill, where Lord Hanuman was born. We rode 4 kilometers to the base of the hill and climbed 575 steps to reach the temple. It was unbelievable. You can find a rock weighing 25 kilos float on water, which is placed in an aquarium inside the temple.
The trip, we stayed at this place called as Sheesh Bish. Spent 2 nights here. Now we're going to be heading to a waterfall, and then we are going to be heading home. It's 11:40. Yeah. Okay, we move. Nice. It was amazing. Hampi is really good. Can easily spend 2 to 3 days. We spent 2 nights. And they have created a environment similar to Goa. So you see a lot of people from France, Italy, basically Europeans coming over here, staying for months. You get two-wheeler for rent, and the food is all international cuisine. It's very nice. I would be coming back for sure.
Here comes an end to a fabulous exploration journey of Chitradurga and Hampi. I hope you enjoyed it. We took a couple of pit stops and reached Bangalore by 8 pm. We'll be editing and uploading motorcycle rides to Switzerland, Ladakh, Spiti Valley, and Sikkim very soon. So stay tuned. Please like and subscribe to get updates on my new videos. Till then, adios, friends.